Alright, okay, so today, welcome back to Nature Walk Once. I can't talk today.
Yeah,
So,
she never talks. Hello, I'm the special guest.
Is that why you got a new slide?
That's why. Yeah.
We're going to show you his wrecked slide. Literally wrecked.
The story behind this, I hit a slide.
So
I drive a side by side.
He hit his slide, and this is what happened.
And then I went to go down the slide, and it just bust. I'm like, what in the flipping, shipping, dipping on cheese cocktails on a day? What the frig is going on?
So, we're gonna go, which hill are we going down?
We try to go on this short one first to make sure it works.
I wanna go down first. Here, record.
Okay.
Get up here.
Yeah. Coughing.
Here. Don't touch the actual screen, please. Here, sit that there.
Hello.
Okay, here we go.
Look at that dum-dum. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna work.
Okay, I'm going to put my glove back on now.
What happened with your glove?
I didn't take it off so I could press the end button for the last video.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that last video is going to get posted.
Do you know that you can flip the camera around?
Yeah, but you told me not to touch the screen.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you can record.
I'm going down.
Just record.
Okay, Mrs. Boss. It's a blizzard! Run for your lives! It's so sneaky. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a snow. Such wonderful. Yeah, the hill that's more dangerous than a hill. Oh, okay. I guess that makes more sense. Yeah. This dang snow is in my eye. Whoa. Oh yeah, I'll just carry it from now on. Yeah, don't worry, I'll be fine carrying everything. Don't worry. Yeah, it's Steve. Oh, so now you will take the camera.
I'm going to try it again since I already went down it.
No, you're going to take the camera because now it's my turn.
Okay.
I'm going to an even bigger hill, boys and girls. Sorry. Put away if you haven't already. I'm not asking you. I'm not forcing you. Well, technically I'm asking you, but hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Because you know why? I don't know. It's just something that other people do, and I just want to repeat it because someone, and I don't know, just lick your football.
Yeah, you're... Oh, Max, yeah. Let me try.
Hold on, let me see the camera. That way we don't get the tablet broke.
Yeah, we're recording with a tablet, so we don't want to get it too wet. Because this little bit of snow that's melted on it is already turning rainbow.
Wow, so dramatic. Huh? Okay. Woo! Oh God, I fell! Hold on, something happened. Hopefully she got eaten by a grizzly bear. Oh, nope. So my theory was wrong. She didn't get eaten by a grizzly bear. Come up here, take the camera!
Please show them people that face trees.
Sorry guys, this tree's just so beautiful.
Sorry. So guys, how's
Excuse me, princess.
Alright, get up here. It's my turn. Hurry up. Alright, guys. Let's go wait on him. Hurry. Here. Here's the... Here's the camera. You tripped on a rock. Here. Take it. Huh? Take it.
Dog. Oh no, dog the hole.
Okay, guys.
You see her okay, everybody? Are you going?
Yeah.
Wow! Light speed, my friend. Light speed.
I have a really good idea. Drop your sleds and come down here.
I don't have a sled, you bozo. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. A sauce. What kind of McDonald's are we going to? Yeah, no. No.
Why not?
You're not going on the big trampoline.
Why not?
Because, just trust me, it's too slippery, I know. I just went on it the other day. It hurt. Okay, now you take the camera off.
Alright, guys. One more time and we're going to put the camera down.
Why?
Because look at it. It's going to get ruined. Max, you're wet. Go down that hill right there. One you're facing. Sorry guys, I gotta get this joint. Tree branch. What? Yeah, get in my sled. Just hurry up. Okay guys, we're gonna put the camera down. This camera's getting soaked and it's not waterproof. So, see you guys later. Max, say bye. Say bye! Bye guys.